Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed colleagues, and future leaders in nursing, welcome to the Nurse Intelligence Virtual Summit. I am Patty Sue, and it is an honor to stand before you today as we explore the transformative power of AI in our profession. As we gather here in the picturesque Napa Valley, surrounded by the rolling vineyards and the artistry of winemaking, we find a perfect metaphor for our roles as nurse managers and leaders. The cultivation of the grapevine mirrors the principles and impact of effective management in our profession. Just as the grapevines thrive in the ideal climate of Napa, so too do our teams flourish when we as leaders set the right environment. Setting the climate in our workplaces involves fostering a culture of support, collaboration, and continuous learning. It is our responsibility to create an atmosphere where our nurses feel valued, empowered, and motivated to deliver their best. In these vineyards, every vine is meticulously structured and supported to ensure optimal growth. Similarly, as nurse managers, we must provide the right framework for our teams. This means establishing clear goals, defining roles, and ensuring that our nurses have access to the resources they need to succeed. By setting up the structure, we lay the groundwork for a thriving and efficient healthcare environment. Pruning and training the vines are essential to producing high-quality grapes. This delicate process removes unnecessary growth and directs the plant's energy toward fruitful outcomes. In our roles, this translates to guiding our staff, offering constructive feedback, and identifying areas for professional development. By nurturing their growth and helping them focus on their strengths, we enable our nurses to reach their full potential. Lastly, the timing of resources in winemaking is crucial. From planting to harvesting, each step must be carefully timed to achieve the best results. As nurse managers, we must be adept at resource management, allocating staff, time, and equipment efficiently to meet the ever-changing demands of healthcare. By mastering this timing, we ensure that our teams are always prepared to provide exceptional patient care. As we continue our journey through this summit, let's take a moment to preview the critical topics we will be addressing before delving into the exciting AI solutions that lie ahead. First, we will examine the current state of healthcare databases. Our systems are often fragmented, creating silos of information that hinder seamless patient care. The issue of interoperability remains a significant challenge as disparate systems struggle to communicate effectively, leading to inefficiencies and potential errors. We will also discuss the lack of universal standards in healthcare data management. Without consistent standards, data quality suffers, resulting in incomplete or inaccurate patient records. This lack of standardization impedes our ability to leverage data for improved patient outcomes. Moreover, we will explore the trends of AI moving from traditional data centers to edge computing. This shift brings the promise of faster, more responsive AI applications that can operate closer to the source of data. This trend is crucial for real-time decision-making and enhanced patient care. Following this foundational overview, we will delve into current AI applications and their transformative impact on healthcare. We will explore how AI can help reduce costs by optimizing resource allocation, streamlining administrative tasks, and predicting patient needs. AI's ability to monitor core measures, key indicators of healthcare quality, can ensure compliance and improve patient outcomes. Finally, we will discuss the importance of setting guiding AI policies. As we integrate AI into our practices, it is essential to establish ethical guidelines, ensure transparency, and maintain human oversight. These policies will be crucial in navigating the complexities of AI implementation and ensuring that our focus remains on delivering the highest quality of care. By addressing these critical issues, we will be well equipped to harness the full potential of AI, transforming our roles as nurse managers and leaders. Together, we can pave the way for a future where technology and compassion work hand in hand to elevate the standard of care for our patients. As we explore the implementation of AI within our healthcare organizations, it's important to recognize the transitional phase we are currently in. Until we can fully realize database security and achieve seamless integration, implementing AI as a separate system offers a viable pathway. This approach allows us to begin reaping the benefits of AI while addressing the necessary infrastructure and security requirements. Studies show that 70 to 80% of AI computing needs can be served locally, which opens the door to numerous possibilities for in-house AI applications. By the end of this year, 2024, we anticipate the availability of AI-enabled smartphones and affordable AI-enabled computers, making in-house implementation more accessible than ever before. As nurse managers and leaders, it is imperative that we prepare to leverage these advancements to stay relevant and effective in our roles. Implementing AI as a separate system involves utilizing cloud-based AI services that can operate independently of our existing databases. These systems can analyze data, provide insights, and support decision-making processes without compromising our current infrastructure. This approach allows us to take advantage of AI's capabilities while we work towards a more integrated and secure system. Will soon be at our disposal, we must focus on several key areas. 1. Training and education equip our teams with the necessary skills to effectively use AI tools. This includes training on basic AI concepts, understanding how to interpret AI-generated insights, and fostering a culture of continuous learning. 2. Pilot programs implement small-scale pilot programs to test AI applications in real-world settings. These pilots will help us understand the practical challenges and benefits of AI, allowing us to refine our strategies before full-scale implementation. 3. Policy development establishes clear guidelines and policies for AI usage. This includes setting ethical standards, ensuring transparency, and maintaining human oversight. Policy should address data privacy, security, and the responsible use of AI-generated insights. 4. Infrastructure assessment evaluate our current technological infrastructure and identify areas that need upgrading to support AI-enabled devices. This includes ensuring robust network connectivity, data storage solutions, and cybersecurity measures. 5. Stakeholder engagement engage with all stakeholders, including clinicians, professionals, and administrative staff, to ensure a collaborative approach to AI implementation. Their input and feedback will be crucial in shaping effective AI strategies. By proactively preparing for the integration of AI-enabled smartphones and computers, we position ourselves to leverage these tools effectively. These devices will enable real-time data analysis, enhance decision-making capabilities, and streamline various administrative tasks. For instance, AI-enabled smartphones can assist nurses in documenting patient information, accessing clinical guidelines, and even predicting patient needs through advanced algorithms. As managers and leaders, our role is to guide this transition with vision and foresight. We must be adaptable, continuously seek knowledge, and be willing to embrace change. The future of nursing is intertwined with the advancements in AI, and by preparing now, we ensure that we remain at the forefront of this transformation. Together, let's embrace the opportunities that AI presents, transforming our practices and setting new standards of excellence in healthcare. As we continue our exploration of AI implementation, it's vital to address how AI can specifically help us better manage labor costs, medical supplies, and equipment, which cumulatively constitute 70% of hospital care expenses. By leveraging AI, we can drive significant efficiencies and cost savings in these critical areas. Labor costs are one of the largest expenditures for healthcare organizations. AI can play a pivotal role in optimizing workforce management through several approaches. 1. Predictive staffing AI algorithms can analyze historical data, patient admission rates, and seasonal trends to predict staffing needs accurately. This ensures that the right number of staff members are scheduled at any given time, reducing both overstaffing and understaffing. 2. Automating administrative tasks. Many administrative tasks, such as scheduling, payroll processing, and compliance reporting, can be automated using AI. This not only reduces the workload on administrative staff, but also minimizes errors and enhances productivity. 3. Employee engagement and retention AI-driven analytics can identify patterns that lead to staff burnout and turnover. By recognizing these patterns early, managers can implement targeted interventions to improve employee satisfaction and retention, ultimately lowering recruitment and training costs. Optimizing medical supplies. Effective management of medical supplies is crucial for both cost control and ensuring patient care quality. AI can help in several ways. 1. Inventory management AI systems can track inventory levels in real time, predict usage patterns, and automate reordering processes. This ensures that supplies are available when needed, reduces waste from expired products, and minimizes the holding costs associated with overstocking. 2. Demand forecasting by analyzing historical usage data and correlating it with patient demographics, seasonal illnesses, and treatment trends. AI can forecast future demand for medical supplies. This helps in maintaining optimal stock levels and avoiding last-minute shortages or excesses. 3. Supplier management AI can evaluate supplier performance, negotiate better prices, and ensure timely deliveries. By analyzing procurement data, AI systems can identify the most cost-effective suppliers and streamline the procurement process. Efficient use of medical equipment. Medical equipment represents a significant investment for healthcare facilities. AI can enhance the utilization and maintenance of these assets. 1. Utilization tracking AI can monitor the usage of medical equipment in real time, ensuring that all devices are being used efficiently. This helps in identifying underutilized equipment that can be reallocated or disposed of, and in making informed decisions about future purchases. 2. Predictive maintenance AI can predict equipment failures by analyzing usage patterns and performance data. By anticipating maintenance needs, hospitals can schedule timely repairs and prevent costly breakdowns, ensuring that equipment is always available and functioning optimally. 3. Cost-benefit analysis AI can assess the cost-effectiveness of medical equipment by comparing usage data with patient outcomes. This helps in making data-driven decisions about whether to invest in new technologies or upgrade existing equipment. Examples of AI in writing, communication, chatbots, and critical thinking. As we delve into the practical applications of AI in our daily roles as nurse managers and leaders, it's essential to understand how these technologies can enhance our capabilities in writing, communication, use of chatbots, and strengthening critical thinking. Here are some concrete examples. 1. Enhancing writing skills. AI tools can significantly improve writing efficiency and quality in various ways. Automated report generation AI can assist in generating patient reports, discharge summaries, and care plans by extracting relevant information from HRs and other data sources. This not only saves time, but also ensures accuracy and consistency. Grammar and style checkers tools like Grammarly and Hemingway can help healthcare professionals produce clear, error-free, and concise documents, enhancing the readability and professionalism of communications. Content creation AI-powered platforms like GPT-4 can help draft policy documents, research papers, and educational materials, providing a solid starting point that can be refined by the writer. 2. Improving communication. Effective communication is crucial in healthcare, and AI can play a pivotal role. Language translation AI-powered translation tools can help overcome language barriers, ensuring that non-English speaking patients receive clear and accurate information about their care. Speech-to-text tools like Dragon Medical One enable healthcare providers to dictate notes and transcriptions, reducing the time spent on documentation and allowing more focus on patient care. Email automation AI can help draft, organize, and prioritize emails, ensuring timely and effective communication with staff, patients, and stakeholders. 3. Leveraging chatbots. Chatbots can transform patient interaction and administrative efficiency. Patient engagement AI-driven chatbots can provide patients with 24/7 support, answering common questions, scheduling appointments, and providing follow-up care instructions. This enhances patient satisfaction and reduces the burden on administrative staff. Triage and symptom checking chatbots can assist in preliminary triage by asking patients a series of questions and suggesting possible next steps based on their responses. This can help streamline the workflow in busy healthcare settings. Staff support internal chatbots can assist healthcare staff by providing quick access to information such as hospital protocols, medication guidelines, and training resources. 4. Strengthening critical thinking. AI can enhance critical thinking skills among healthcare professionals. Decision support systems, AI-driven clinical decision support systems, CDSS, analyze patient data and provide evidence-based recommendations. These systems can highlight potential diagnoses, suggest treatment options, and alert providers to potential risks, encouraging critical evaluation and informed decision-making. Simulation and training AI-powered simulation tools can create realistic scenarios for training purposes, allowing nurses to practice and develop their critical thinking skills in a controlled environment. These simulations can include patient interactions, emergency situations, and complex clinical cases. Data analysis and interpretation AI tools can process and analyze large data sets, identifying trends and patterns that might not be immediately apparent. By presenting these insights, AI encourages healthcare professionals to think critically about the implications and potential actions. Conclusion. AI offers a multitude of tools and applications that can significantly enhance writing, communication, the use of chatbots, and critical thinking in healthcare. By integrating these technologies into our practices, we can improve efficiency, accuracy, and patient outcomes, while also fostering a culture of continuous learning and innovation. As nurse managers and leaders, it is our responsibility to embrace these advancements and guide our teams in leveraging AI to its fullest potential. By doing so, we not only enhance our capabilities, but also contribute to the evolution of healthcare, ensuring that we remain at the cutting edge of our profession. Thank you for your dedication to this transformative journey, and let us continue to explore the endless possibilities that AI brings to our field.